Welcome to Google AdWords for Beginners. I'm super excited that you decided to go ahead and take this course. Now, before we get started, I just want to walk you through really quickly the structure of the course. So what we're going to do is, if a topic needs more explanation, I'm going to go through a quick slide presentation. I'll make sure to make it as quick and painless as possible, and then go through those same principles in a live Google AdWords account. I think having that hands-on, or maybe not as hands-on, but you can follow through in a live account if you want. But watching somebody do it in a live account is a lot more powerful than just hearing somebody talk about AdWords. So that's how we're going to structure this course, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, before we jump into AdWords, I want to talk a little bit about Google search. Most of you are familiar with probably one of the most famous and important pieces or tools on the web today. It's that Google search box. It might seem simple at first, but almost every search, from a purchasing decision to travel decisions, anything that somebody's looking for on the internet, or any piece of information that somebody wants, usually starts with a Google search. Now, you might be asking, why are we only focusing on AdWords? I know that Bing and Yahoo all have search engines and do paid search as well. But this number shows here, or this chart shows, the number of searches in billions. And not only is Google exponentially higher than some of these other search engines, you see that some of the Microsoft sites have been growing, but Google has seen consistent month-over-month and year-over-year growth, and just the quantity is unmatched by some of these other search engines. So that's why it's such a huge opportunity for advertisers and for marketers. On top of that, mobile usage is growing even faster. Almost 2 billion people now own smartphones, and it makes up 85% of the total internet usage. On top of that, 57% of people search every day on their phone. So they're typing in something and looking for immediate information, and information searched for on a mobile phone has a much higher intent most of the time than people just searching on their desktop. They're either looking for information about a restaurant, about a hotel, or about a product that they're about to purchase in a store. So this is an opportunity that we're going to walk through, and we're going to show you how to target smartphones and tablets, because tablets are a huge purchasing medium. People make a lot of purchasing decisions and actual purchases from their tablets on a weekly basis. Now, that's Google search, but what's the difference between Google search and Google AdWords? Well, here's the description that Google gives. Google AdWords lets you create simple, effective ads and serves them to people who are already searching online for info related to your business. Now, that's a great explanation and puts Google AdWords in a really easy to understand format. But not only can it be info related to your product or to your business, but it can also be related to a specific product that you have, to your competitors. If you want to target people that are searching for your competitors' products, maybe you want to serve an ad to those people. There's a lot of different strategies that you can use and implement to run really efficient and effective campaigns on AdWords. Now, here's how it works. So, person enters a search. Google sorts all the advertisers based on ad rank, which is the next topic that we're going to get into after this video. And then the search displays organic and paid results based on that search term. So a recent study came out and said anywhere between 60 to 70% of people don't know the difference between paid search and organic search results. So right here on the top and on the right-hand side in the red boxes are the paid results. Right now, and this changes from week to week and month to month, but they're indicated by the yellow ad box. Before they were highlighted, they highlighted the whole area in yellow. But this is how they're doing it now. So, and right below those are the organic search results. And from Google's perspective, why they think that these advertisers, or why these advertisements are more powerful than, say, a pop-up or a display banner, even though they do display and remarketing, is that they think that these ads, because they are related to your search, are less intrusive than some of the other mediums. So because somebody is searching for flavored coffee, these ads are being shown for gourmet flavored coffee, discount flavored coffee, and things like that are at least somewhat related to what you're already searching for. Now, mobile results, you have a much smaller area and a lot more focus is placed on the ads, because as you can see, when the search results pop up, right below it, it's 2 out of the 3 results that you see above the fold are ads. So this is another opportunity for mobile search, and not all searches display 2, some display none, and we'll get into that as well, and how you can tell where the opportunities are, and they're more dynamic. There's direct or redirect response opportunities, or direct response, so somebody maybe calling you directly from your ad, which is hugely successful for some advertisers, especially in the local services market. So if you're say an automotive shop and somebody's looking for a tire dealership, you can have press a call button and they can call you directly from the ad. We'll show you how to do that later in the lesson. Here's an example of the call. As you can see, if you're searching for Miami Beach Resort, you can make a call right there, see the price is 25% off. That's a really powerful ad. Now, what are you going to learn in this course? Rather than telling you what you're going to learn, I'll tell you what you're going to be able to do and the objectives of this course. So you're going to learn how to create ads that will result in new customers. You're going to learn how to target ads based on location, behavior, time, and device. You're going to learn how to research keywords and competitors to locate new opportunities. And you're going to learn how to track the effectiveness and optimize performance of AdWords campaigns. Now, all these are incredibly vital to getting a return on your advertising money, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You want to be able to spend $100 and make $200 back, or at least break even on that advertising expense. So all of these pieces are going to comprise that main goal of learning how to create effective and efficient ads. And like I said in the beginning of this lesson, if you have any questions or anything comes up throughout the course of Google AdWords for Beginners, feel free to shoot me an email. It's coreyrabb@gmail.com.